Hey, Kevin, what are you doing?
We're in my garage, and I just had all these new cabinets put in, but the light in the garage, as always, is behind you. So anytime I'm standing here, I'm kind of working in the shadows. And I thought, no, wait, I know what I can do. And that's where this little spool comes in. So does that give it away? Does that give you a little clue as to what it is?
Nope.
No? I've used this before on the 3D printers. And what it does is it allows you to have light wherever you want it, really. You can just stick it up to something. As long as you have a receptacle you can plug into 110 volt, and then this little converter converts it over to 12 volt DC, and that's what runs the lights. And I found this online just searching for sticky back LED light strips, and there they were. So I hope that helps shed some light on any of your problems you may have seeing. Don't forget to pop out to my website and see what's going on over there, and I'll see you guys next time. And what it does is give you light where you don't have a fixture, don't have the body of a light